What's up? Welcome back to the channel where we take a look at mini discs and all sorts of audiophile type of stuff. Last week we took a look at this item right here, this very special all metal mini disc by Eddie Chan. Today is about going lossless because mini discs took 8-track compression and we're going back to modern times. This package, it's not new to most people because there's a lot of people that did reviews over it, but it's new to me. Packaged by Hidiz. All right, so we got small contents there, and the main contents. So this here is the AP Pro Max by Hidiz. This is their recent lossless player. It says right here, lossless music player. Yeah, I got the blue one. Before I open that, let's check what's in here. What's this? Leather case, black. And then what is this one? If that's the case, then what is this? Oh. Weird. This doesn't look too great. What is that? Looks like a bunch of stress happened on the silicone. Silicone case is kind of mid. This is cool. Look at this. That's a nice cable. C2C. Let's check out the accessories here. So this is the case. Okay, that's much nicer. Like, what the heck is this about? This is so much nicer. Wow, okay. Yeah, I automatically choose this one. Set these guys aside. Split it here. So let's see, let's pull this out. Ooh, I like the weight of this. This is nice. This feels really solid. Slot for the SD card. This wheel. Oh, there's kind of a click. Bring it up here. Nice. Okay. Let's see what else is in this package. Accessories, cables, more cables, C2C. Interesting. They gave me two. I got a warranty card or a quality control card. What's this over here? A screen protector. Oh, here is a quality control card. Let's take a look at this manual. Got some Chinese. Don't know what all this is. English? Oh, here we are. Dear valued customer. Quick start guide, okay? Do it. Short press wheel, scroll wheel, previous track, yeah, okay. Wireless feature, HIV link. So download an app on your phone or Android device, Apple. Gonna have to check all this stuff out. Spend some time and look at that later. All right, let's see if there's any juice on this. Well, let's take off this screen protector. That's cool to do. And do the back. This is a saucy blue. I make a copper one, and yeah, that's nice, and it feels nice, and it's heavier. But this blue is my kind of blue. All right, let's see. Let's try to turn this on. We got life. English, please. US, because I say dude a lot. Los Angeles. All right, we're in. Is there a... Oh, cool. Is there a sample? No music. Swipe. This is actually my first Hidiz device. Stream media, title, Cobuzz, books. You know, I'm kind of intrigued. I want to try reading off of this. It's kind of a cool idea. Wireless. We got all sorts of Bluetooth. We got LDEC, Hi-V link, Wi-Fi, import music via Wi-Fi, DLNA, AirPlay. I'm probably going to use that the most. AirPlay and Bluetooth. Got system settings. I like this touchscreen. What do we got? We got backlight time, 30 seconds. Oh, almost came with a full battery. A USB working mode, font size. Do I want to change the font size? What's big? Did that do anything? Okay, I'll stick with big. Working mode, device, auto, device storage. USB current limit. That's cool, you could set the limit. DAC feedback. Well, from what I looked at in the manual, it didn't seem like it said a lot, so I might still have to kind of figure all this out on my own. Inline remote. Huh. Firmware update. Nice. Oh, look at the volume. It's not terrible. I mean, if I'm going to go all the way to like max volume in like 5 seconds, probably not. It takes a lot of rotations to get to the full. But you must really be in a hurry to listen to that music. I love that blue indicator light. Let's see, what else do we have here? About, talks about the, oh, this is all their contact, oh, the serial numbers here. Cool. So this leads me to my next question. How well would it pick up from this guy? Snag the SD card out of this. There we go. Final. Music. All. Scan. Oh boy, that's going to take a minute. Interesting. It does take a while to scan through all of the music. The file took a lot less time. Haha. Sweet. Oh, nice. It tells you right there as if it's high res or CD plus. Oh, look at that. Turn yellow. Flac. Interesting. So Flac means yellow. AAC. Very cool. Tells you the kilobits. M4A. So this is Apple Lossless. Apple Lossless is blue. Let's see how well the next is. Oh, that's going back. Next. So M4A is blue. What does MP3 look like? I don't know if I have any MP3s. So let's go to albums. Nice, it shows the pictures. Yes, I need that in my life. It is a little on the slow side when it comes to rendering these images. I don't really seem to mind too much. At least it's showing pictures. I'm happy about that. Okay, this is DSD. Oh, nice. So it says DSD here, right on the side here. Just pick a song. So it's not going to show you it's playing. It'll show you in the light here when you select a song. So you go to the next, and that's how you know you're playing a song, by looking at the indicator. Oh, it's a darn shame that the animation, this image doesn't move. It'd be so sick if it had a graphic EQ. I mean, a visualizer. DSD 256. This is a sweet little player. Let's see how much it weighs. 88.8 grams. Not too bad. I love the weight of this. Walkman is heavier. Interesting. I guess it is a little heavier. Oh, this is kind of interesting. So this is probably going to keep powering on and off in the pocket thing. Doesn't take much to press it. This feels great in the hand. I'm gonna have to put up a different video about this, talking in more detail about this player. There's a lot to kind of talk about. It's definitely really nice. I wonder why they didn't center this. Oh man, that's bothersome. Wonder why they didn't line it up. Probably fit the screen or something. But yeah, it fits this balance connection. It sounds nice. Sounds really good. Wow. It's also very quiet. Yeah, it's very quiet noise floor. Very pleased, very pleased. It doesn't have a, a graphic UI or any animations to it, unfortunately. All this is just a music player. There's more to it. It can be a DAC, it could be a Bluetooth receiver, it could also be a Bluetooth transmitter, so you can receive signal and transmit signal. It takes LDEC, supports MQA. Kind of a lot to talk about in this video, especially when this is just an unboxing and my first impressions. I will spend some time with it and talk more about it. Here's it compared with the FiO disc. So these are the two newest DAPs that are coming out. It's a lot smaller. Look at that. So tiny. This one's thick compared to this guy. This one, all mill aluminum with glass on both sides. Glass and touchscreen. Cannot compare specs. I have no idea what everything is again. But you know, I just wanted to compare the two. 74, 88. Hope you get the idea. Let's see what it looks like inside its case. Keep forgetting. And it should just pop in. Oh, very nice. I do gusta this. Okay, so they kept the unevenness along with the case here. I do like this case. It's very nice. Do I like it with the silicone case? Let's see. Definitely don't like the silicone case already because it's not really a nice quality. It looks like they didn't bother even looking what they were supplying. This had to be damaged during manufacture. It can't be damaged from shipping. Yeah, like this got caught inside some kind of machine or something when they pulled it out. See, look at that. It doesn't even want to go back to its shape. Doesn't matter though. Oh, it looks kind of cool with the gray, the blue and the gray here. Yeah, I'm gonna pass. We'll pass on this one, my friends. This one is way sweeter. Pretty quick to select. Oh yeah, cool. There's a top-down menu. Oh, that's not even the brightest setting? Whoa, this is bright. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't know what these are, and it doesn't show on the menu either. I mean, on the manual. Indicator light, you could turn that off. I'm gonna take it out of its case for now. That's the Hidiz AP80 Pro Max Blue. Thanks for hanging out.